Hello, class. The activity that I want you to try yourself in video is one of the activities is the paper airplane activity. To do this, if you choose this activity to do with students, each student should get 4 sheets of paper. 2 of the sheets of paper they use to design an airplane, paper airplane, and the competition will be for distance. Now you may want to put the students in groups. I would recommend that, but I would still let each student make their own paper airplane. But putting them in groups, there's less chance of something embarrassing, if the plane doesn't work too good. So if you look at my data sheet, you'll see a place for distance where they'll have a design 1 and a design 2. I let them use tape and scissors, even though usually they don't need scissors. Some do like to tape their plane a little bit to hold it together really well. I let them use the internet if they have access to the internet to come up with the best airplane design. So basically, you give them 1 sheet of paper each to design a plane for distance. Then after they've tested that, you give them a second sheet to improve on their first design. I would recommend that as opposed to giving them 2 sheets at once, because what will happen is the kids will start making both their airplanes at the same time. And the whole idea of the design process is to improve what you've done. So basically, they'll design an airplane using the internet or not using the internet. Then they'll go outside perhaps or use the hallway, throw their airplanes, and the idea of the competition is who makes the airplane that flies the farthest. You may want to take a meter stick to measure distance, or what's called a trundle wheel. Either of those things will work quite well. Now the other competition is an accuracy competition, and basically they'll design 2 airplanes to see which one can come closest to the target. You could use a tub or a rope, something that you have them where they can try to throw their airplane into. And I don't make it too far out. I usually have a distance of about 3 meters, 4 meters for them to try to get their airplane into. But the kids love to make the paper airplanes. Again, I would recommend you use groups rather than individually. But I do also think each child does need to design their own airplanes.